The Anolon Achieve Hard Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes in a nice cream color. This 8.25-inch skillet is perfect for cooking smaller meals. The nonstick surface has layers. These layers help food slide off easily. You won't have to worry about food sticking and burning. Cleaning this Anolon Achieve Hard Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan is also a breeze. This pan heats up quickly and evenly. This means your food will cook better. The handle is designed to be comfortable to hold. You can easily flip pancakes or stir your dinner. Many customers have said they love using this pan. It feels sturdy and well made. It's a top choice for everyday cooking. You can use a little butter or oil for extra flavor. For its size and quality, the Anolon Achieve Hard Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan offers good value. It's durable and should last for many months. While it's not a Tir-Ply construction, it still performs well. You can easily order it online, and the delivery is usually fast if you need a reliable nonstick skillet for your daily meals. This Anolon Achieve Hard Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan is worth considering. Pros: stain resistant, even heat, oven safe, durable, good quality, sturdy, lasts long, easy. Cooking cons: handle can get hot, cream color may stain, hand wash recommended, not induction compatible. Durability over time: potential for scratches, limited cooking surface, non-stick not forever features. Durable build, even heating, oven safe to 500 degrees F, stainless steel handle, easy to clean. Stain resistant 8.25-inch size, cream color. This 8.25-inch Anolon Achieve frying pan is made to last with a strong build. It heats food evenly for good cooking. You can even put it in the oven up to 500 degrees F. The handle is made of stainless steel. It's easy to wash and doesn't get stained easily. The pan is cream in color. This 8.25-inch Anolon Achieve frying pan is made with a strong material that helps heat spread evenly for good cooking. It has a non-stick surface so food doesn't stick, making it easy to cook and clean. You can even put it in the oven. It's designed to be tough and last a while, but the cream color might get stained, and it's best to wash it by hand. Be careful with the handle as it can get hot. And remember that the non-stick coating won't last forever and could get scratched. Also, it won't work on induction stoves. And the cooking area is a bit small.